This video shows a work-in-progress digital 3D model of the Viking 75 Mars lander. Viking was NASA's first project to soft land a spacecraft on the surface of Mars. This was accomplished in 1976 when, after nearly a year-long cruise from Earth, Viking 1 and Viking 2 landed safely. The landers returned the first photographs and other instrument readings from the surface of Mars, thousands of them. Lander 1 operated for over 6 years, while Lander 2 operated for 4 years. The landers were designed and built by Martin Marietta Aerospace, now part of Lockheed Martin. This model is a personal project to preserve a bit of Viking's groundbreaking accomplishments. My goal is to create a high-fidelity model representing essentially all external piece parts of lander hardware. I estimate the dimensional accuracy of feature locations and sizes to be within a millimeter or two generally. For references, I am using original engineering drawings and documents, along with about 2,000 detailed photographs and 1,000 or so measurements of actual lander hardware I have taken. The model is being built using the free SketchUp software. This stage of model development represents the lander's core body without the numerous large components mounted on the exterior. The lander's hollow hexagonal body consists of 3 large aluminum side beams, seen here in order side beam 1, 2, and 3. Each side beam was machined as a single unit and is exactly 18 inches high. The top of the lander is covered by a large, thin panel with subpanels for the 2 protruding cameras and some science instruments. The bottom of the lander is covered by another thin panel, which has a circular vent at center to equalize pressure. There are over 300 unique fittings, brackets, shims, and struts that provide mounting locations for external components. They are fastened to the lander body and to each other with high-lock collars and pins, rivets, etc. All the fastener holes are included in the model. This is the primary support fitting for landing leg 3. The main leg pivot is at the top. These fittings also reinforce the butt joints between the lander body side beams, along with interior shims and plates, as seen here in the joint between side beam 2 on the left and 3 on the right. Here the view pulls upward through the opening where camera 2 would be mounted. Next is the mount for the surface sampler acquisition assembly, located above this open rectangle. The surface sampler incorporates a collector head or scoop on the end of an extensible boom used to pick up samples of Mars soil for analysis by lander instruments. 3 terminal descent rocket engines were used in the final phase of landing on Mars. This is the mount for engine 2, which was affixed to the underside of the rounded fitting. A UHF antenna was mounted on top of this shelf. The UHF antenna was used to transmit information to the 2 Viking orbiters, sophisticated spacecraft themselves, which could relay the lander signals to Earth. My thanks to the following organizations who generously allowed me access to Viking resources that have facilitated this project.